Why can't you be smart and go in the barn? Huh? Just eat the whole thing. It's cool. Come on. Hey, that hay's not for you, big boy. Come on. What? Come on. What? Come on. Yay, smart Winchester.
Smart boy. You're so wet. Mwah.
Don't you dare go back out that door. I'm gonna lock you in here, horse. Here's the Winchester. The big zombie.
You're so wet.